What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete all messages on Facebook Messenger. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. When it comes to managing your digital footprint on Messenger, keeping your chat list clean can be quite a task, especially if you're looking to declutter or maintain privacy. Currently, Messenger doesn't offer a feature to mass delete all messages simultaneously. But there are a couple of ways to delete messages that can help you manage your conversations more efficiently. First, if you send a message that you immediately regret, Messenger allows you to retract it before the recipient sees it. To do this, simply tap and hold on the message you wish to retract. A menu will pop up with options such as Reply, Forward, and Unsend. Tap on Unsend, and you will then be prompted to either choose Unsend to everyone, making the messages disappear from the conversation on both ends, or unsent for you, removing it only from your view. Keep in mind that unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still appear in reports if the conversation is reported. For those looking to clear out entire conversations, there is a straightforward method to delete whole message threads. This can be especially useful if you're looking to remove all messages from a specific person, or clear up your chat history. On your Messenger home screen, simply swipe left and tap on the three dots to open a pop-up menu. Here, you'll see the option to delete. Confirming this will permanently delete the entire conversation from your Messenger account, ensuring that none of the messages in that thread are accessible to you anymore. It's important to note that deleting conversations is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Once a message thread is deleted, there's no way to retrieve it. So make sure this is what you want before proceeding. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.